हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज के वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे आईपी मैट के लास्ट ईयर के पेपर के शॉर्ट आंसर्स के क्वेश्चंस के बारे में। जो डेटा है उसके हिसाब से जो कट ऑफ था दैट वाज 24 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 60। दैट मीन्स आउट ऑफ 15 क्वेश्चंस कट ऑफ वाज ओनली 6 क्वेश्चंस। Okay, so I'll show you, I'll take two parts. In part A, I'll show how we can select 6 questions out of these 15 questions, which can be easily done in 30 to 40 minutes time. So let us start. We should try to take 2 rounds of this paper. So this is the question of work and time. Work and time is an easy concept. We can do it. So let us read some more questions. This is a puzzle. Puzzle was easy, but I think I'll show you 6 questions without puzzle first. This is the question with mod. We should try this question in round 2. Let us see this question. So this question says that 8 teams take part in a tournament where each team plays against every other team exactly once. So if there are 8 teams and every team is playing match with other team, so there will be total number of matches will be 8C2. That is equal to 8 into 7 by 2. Concept is we need 2 teams for a match. So out of 8 teams, we can make 8C2 groups. This is just like the concept of a handshake. So there must be 28. Total number of matches will be 28. But now in a particular year, one team got suspended after playing 3 matches. So obviously, if there are 8 teams, so every team will play 7 matches, and a team is suspended after playing 3 matches. So there are 4 matches which are remaining for this team. Due to a disciplinary issue, the organizers decide to proceed nonetheless with the remaining matches. The total number of matches that were played in the tournament that year is. So total matches should be 28, but 4 matches are not going to be held. So total number of remaining matches will be 24, and this is my answer. So this was setter. This was easy question. This question should be select for the cutoff. Okay, next question is, okay, this is a log question. Log is important. You should know the basic formulas of log, but we will do this question in round 2 if we think. Okay, this question has language, so we should read this question in round 2. This may be a part for the math student. So easy part. If this is easy for you, you can solve it in round 1. Otherwise, round 2. Again, puzzle. Second question. Taking round is beneficial in one more way, because there are 2 to 3 questions for puzzle, and information is same for each question. So try to solve all questions of puzzle at a time. Okay, again, one more question of log. Let us see this question. I think this is also easy, because what is saying, if log this, and log this are the first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression, then the sum of the next 3 terms of this progression. So we know that if A, B, C are in AP, then 2 times of middle term is equal to first term plus last term. Using this concept, we can write 2 times log 3 2x square plus 1 is equal to log base 3 x square minus 1 plus log base 3 6x square plus 3. Okay. Now this can be written as log base 3 2x square plus 1 whole square, which is equal to log base 3 x square minus 1 into 6x square plus 3. Formula we are using, that is n log a is equal to log a to the power n, and log a plus log b same base pe is equal to log ab. Now we can remove log by taking anti-log, and we can assume let x square is equal to t. So this will become 2t plus 1 whole square is equal to t minus 1 into 6t plus 3. So it will become 4t square plus 1 plus 4t is equal to 6t square minus 6t plus 3t minus 3. So my question will become 2t square minus 7t minus 4 is equal to 0. Let 2t square minus 8t plus t minus 4 is equal to 0, which will give you 2t plus 1 into t minus 4 is equal to 0. From this information, you can say that t is equal to minus half and t is equal to 4. But t was x square, so x square can never be minus half, so this is wrong. So x square is equal to 4, and we need the value of x square only in these three. So if we put x square as 4 in this, so this will become log 3 base 3. Second term will become 4 to the 8 plus 1 9 log 9 base 3. So this value is 1. This value will be log 3 square base 3, which is equal to 2. And this will become 6 into 4, 24 plus 3 is 27, which is 3 cube. So this will become 3. So the three terms of AP will become 1, 2, 3. So next three term will be 4, 5, 6. And sum of next three terms will be 15. This is the correct answer. So this question is comparatively easy. If you are preparing for IPMAT type exam, then these are the basic concepts which you must know for your selection. So I think this should be the part of questions which are good to clear for cutoff. Next question. This is geometry question. Obviously round 2. First round should be, you should take first round as early as possible, because I think there should be no question, any easy question should not be leave. Okay, this was again an easy question. Monica, who is 18-year-old, is 1/3 the age of her father. That means father's age will be 54. 18 into 3. The age at which she will be half the age of her father is. Let after x years, she will be half of her father. So 18 plus x should be equal to 54 plus x by 2. That means 36 plus 2x is equal to 54 plus x, which will give you x is equal to 18, and this is again correct answer. So this was again a easy question. So out of 11, you have already done 3 questions. The target is this, that no easy question left. Again, this is the puzzle. Next question, linear equation. If m and n are two positive integers such that 7m plus 11n is equal to 200, m and n are both positive integers, the minimum possible value of m plus n. So what you should do, you should start from one end. Let we start from n is equal to 1. So if n is equal to 1, then 7m plus 11 is equal to 200. So 7m is equal to 189. So m is equal to 27. So both are integers, so this value is okay. If at n is equal to 1, m is not an integer, then we should try for n equal to 2, 3, 4, and you will get a value in 7, because the coefficient of m is 7, so value of n must be under 7. One more concept is there, that if the equation is 7m plus 11n is equal to 200, that means if any equation is in form of ax plus by is equal to c, then values of n will change with the difference of 7, and values of m will change with the difference of 11 cross. So if value of n is 1, the second value of n will be 8, and at 8 m must be 16. It should be minus 11 and it should be plus 7. You can check it. So at n is equal to 8, it will be 7m plus 11 into 8 is equal to 200. So 7m is equal to 112. So m is equal to 16. So next value will be 8 plus 7, that means 15. And this should be 5. You can check it also. Now the question is, what is the minimum value of m plus n? After this, it will be, if this is 22, then this will be in negative value. So this is not possible. So only 3 cases are possible. So the value of m plus n in first case is 28, 24 and 20. So the question was, find out the minimum possible value of m plus n. So my answer should be 20. Okay, so this is a question which you solve in your preparation. So this is also easy question. So we have done 4 questions till now in round 1. Round 1 should take at least 20 minutes, in which you should do 5 to 6 questions, because you are choosing only easy questions. Next is pure theoretical question. The number of factors of 3 to the power 5 into 5 to the power 8 into 7 square that are perfect square. So for number of factors, we should check that bases should be prime. So all numbers are prime. And we know any factor of this number must be in form of 3 to the power a into 5 to the power b into 7 to the power c, where a, b, c must be even. Because perfect square means power of prime factors must be even. So a should be equal to 0 or 2 or 4. B should be 0, 2, 4 or 6 or 8. And C must be out of 0 or 2. So there are 3 choices for A, 5 choices for B and 2 choices for C. So there must be 30 numbers which are perfect square and are factor of the given number. This is my answer. So this was also easy. So these are 5 questions. Next, last question, and still puzzle is remaining. So there are 3 questions in puzzle was also easy. That I'll solve in part B. So this is remainder question, and in last year IPMAT paper there are some question from this concept. If the polynomial ax square plus bx plus 5 leaves the remainder 3 when divided by x minus 1. So if we divide it by x minus 1, we should put x is equal to 1 in this. So it will become a plus b plus 5, which is equal to 3. So my first equation will be a plus b is equal to minus 2. And if we divide by x plus 1, then remainder is 2. So we should put x is equal to minus 1. So it will be a minus b plus 5 is equal to 2. And this equation will give me a minus b is equal to minus 3. Now I need the value of 2b minus 4a. If we add these two equations, I'll get 2a is equal to minus 5. That means 4a is equal to minus 10. And if I subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1, I'll get 2b is equal to 1. So now I have value of 2b and 4a both. So answer will be 1 minus of minus 10. That will be 1 plus 10, which is equal to 11. So this is my answer. So friends, there are cutoff was 24 questions for general category. In other categories, it was lower than 24. So you can easily select 6 questions. The mistake done by student is this. First of all, they create panic situation for themselves. They never read complete paper. So your target should be in round 1, you should read the complete paper. You should select the easy questions which you know better. And now you have easily 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes, you can solve this puzzle. You can score 9 to 10 questions in this. Okay, thank you.